My son tells me I'm going through a midlife crisis because I bought some snow machines, but that's not it at all. I just want an excuse to spend the day with him. When I grew up in Alaska, we were too poor for snow machines. I grew up on a homestead and we had pigs, sheep, chickens, and even a freaking milk cow. I'm in my 40s now and it's time that I learn how to drive a snow machine, and I figure Ryder and we can learn how to drive snow machines together.
Alright, this is probably pretty basic, but I gotta try and see if I can figure out how to put this thing back on here. Sweet. Did it.
This is our first day taking out the sleds, and there's a lot to figure out. Just loading these things has a learning curve. Ryder has become incredibly useful learning to hitch the trailer and back up the trailer. I try and have my kids do as much of this kind of stuff as possible so they can get real world, useful experience.
Alright, this is gonna kind of suck. We got some high winds. Hopefully everything will go flying once I open this garage door, but I have to open this garage door manually because last weekend we had such high winds that it literally caved the garage doors in, and both of our garage doors are broken now, so let's see what happens. Super nice to have a son who knows how to back up trucks. Makes it so much easier. Alright, that's really good. Alright, so we're brand new at this. Literally never loaded these snow machines before, so go easy on us if this doesn't look good. But we're filming it whether it looks good or not. See what happens.
Loading the machines on a trailer is simple for someone who's done it a lot. If you've never done it, well, then it's kind of tricky. If you go too fast, you can smash the sled into the front of the trailer or even the truck. But if you don't go fast enough, then the track's going to spin out and you won't get enough speed to get up the ramp. There's a lot of examples on the internet of people screwing this up, and a lot of these things don't look pretty. It's typically better to err on the side of going too slow and not getting up the ramp and having to try it again versus smashing everything to pieces.
It's just massive wind out there. It's just like, when is this wind gonna end?
We were headed south out of Anchorage to look for some snow in Turnagain Pass. Usually by mid-January, we have at least a couple of feet of snow on the ground all the way down to sea level. But this year, we've had strong winds coming out of the south, out of the Pacific Ocean, which have brought warm weather and a lot of rain in the lower elevations. But the higher elevations, we're still getting a lot of snow, so we're going to drive to the snow.
Here, you hold this for a second. I'm going to just start it to warm it up.
We actually got snow up here, which is nice. Down our house there's like nothing, but at least we got something up here. So, alright, I think we're ready to go, right?
Yeah.
Alright, it has taken a while, but first time you gotta work out all the kinks. So, the goal for today,
Just break in the snow machines.
yeah, you just gotta break in the snow machine. So we're planning on going slow. We're just trying to like figure out, just get used to them, get some time on the snow machines, get them broken in. We can't go too hard. We're not gonna go to the top of the mountain or anything like that. We're just gonna find some trails and just cruise along, try and get them broken in, and see if we can make it and not get stuck, and make
Yeah.
some with my capitalist anymore.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's do it. Boom.
this way, darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river, I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river. Oh, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, oh, far beneath, oh, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, say, oh, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, oh, far beneath, oh, oh, fire and water me, washing me clean, kerosene creek. Mama taught me how to live, Daddy taught me how to give. Both of them had their own sins. Down to the river, every man has felt the shame. All our blood, it runs the same. Father, heal us as we pray. Down to the river, down to the river. Sing, oh, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, oh, far beneath, oh, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, singing, oh, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, oh, far beneath, oh, oh, fire and water me, washing me clean, kerosene creek.
I think Mom could totally ride these.
Yeah?
Mom could ride this. At least out here she could.
I don't think she'd like it very much.
I think she might. Like, nice.
She wouldn't like the idea of it.
I don't know. I think she would, actually.
Really?
Yeah. It's freaking awesome, man.
Pretty cool.
I've never even freaking done this before, you know?
Yeah.
Let's just keep heading our way back and then, yeah. This is awesome.
Well, this was a successful first trip on the sleds. We worked on breaking in the motors and we didn't wreck the machines and we didn't even get stuck. Now, let's hope for some more snow and colder weather so we can work on really opening up these machines and see how stuck we can actually get them.